What if I told you that right now, somewhere in America, there's a 20-year-old SUV that's worth more than it was brand new, or that certain SUVs are so reliable, mechanics are actually losing money because they rarely need repairs? Here's the crazy part. I'm about to show you SUVs that have a 50% chance of outlasting your home mortgage. You see, while most people are chasing the latest models with fancy screens and Wi-Fi, there's a secret club of SUVs that laugh at the 200,000 mile mark. We're not talking about cherry-picked success stories or meaningless JD Power Awards. This is raw data from 260 million vehicles. That's more cars than all of Europe combined. And what we found, it's about to change everything you thought you knew about car buying. Want to know something even crazier? The least reliable SUV on this list still has a better chance of hitting 250,000 miles than most luxury cars have of reaching 100,000. And that Toyota sitting at number 1? It's so reliable that African warlords literally write it into peace treaties. No, seriously, Google it. Let's dive into these automotive marathoners. And trust me, number 1 will make you rethink everything you know about vehicle longevity. Starting with number 10, the Ford Expedition defies the stereotype about American reliability. This engineering masterpiece features a robust body-on-frame construction-sharing DNA with the legendary F-150. The Triton V8 engine utilizes dual overhead cams with variable valve timing, delivering optimal power while maintaining durability. The 2016 models, now available around $10,000, feature a 6-speed automatic transmission with advanced cooling systems that help achieve a remarkable 20% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. The integrated trailer brake controller and class-exclusive independent rear suspension make it a towing champion that refuses to retire. Drop a comment if you've ever seen an Expedition's odometer roll past 200,000. The GMC Yukon claims position 9 with an impressive 21.3% chance of joining the 250,000-mile club. Built on GM's sophisticated T1 platform, it offers 3 powerhouse options. A 5.3-liter V8, producing 355 horsepower with active fuel management, a mighty 6.2-liter V8 delivering 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. The Subaru Outback breaks the truck-based trend at number 8, achieving a 22.3% success rate. Its unique boxer engine design lowers the center of gravity by 2.5 inches while reducing vibration by 40% compared to conventional engines. The symmetrical AWD system, manufactured in Indiana, distributes torque with millisecond precision through a high-strength steel chassis that's 70% more rigid than its predecessor. The Honda CR-V secures 7th place with a 27.5% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. Its Earth Dreams 4-cylinder engine features IV-Tech variable valve timing and direct injection technology, producing 185 horsepower while maintaining 34 miles per gallon highway. The innovative cylinder head design includes sodium-filled exhaust valves that run 30% cooler than conventional valves, dramatically extending engine life. The 2015 to 2016 models, available under $13,000, utilize a CVT transmission with G-Design shift logic and a maintenance-free rear differential. The Ace body structure uses 60% high-strength steel, while the suspension components are manufactured with microalloy steel that's 25% more resistant to fatigue. Honda's real-world testing included over 1 million miles of durability runs in extreme conditions, from Death Valley heat to Arctic cold. Speaking of extreme testing, let me know in the comments, what's the highest mileage CR-V you've ever seen? The Honda Element, our number 6 contender, proves simplicity equals longevity with a 27.8% success rate. Its 2.4-liter K24 engine produces 166 horsepower and 161 pound-feet of torque through a 5-speed automatic transmission designed for 300,000-plus mile durability. The unique body design features composite panels that resist dents and scratches, while the flat floor and stain-resistant urethane interior make it practically indestructible. Honda engineers incorporated racing-derived technologies like roller-bearing rocker arms and a high silicon aluminum block that improves heat dissipation by 40% compared to conventional engines. Even discontinued, it maintains higher resale value than many current models, with some high-mileage examples selling for more than their original purchase price. The Acura MDX takes 5th place, achieving a 29% 7.2% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. Its J-Series 5.6 engine features variable cylinder management and a timing beltless design rated for the vehicle's lifetime. The super handling all-wheel drive system distributes torque individually to each wheel through planetary gear sets tested for over 500,000 cycles. The legendary Toyota 4Runner claims 4th place with an astounding 41% success rate. Its 4.0-liter 1 GRFE V6 engine, producing 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque, features a cast-iron block and aluminum heads with roller rockers for maximum durability. The 5-speed automatic transmission uses artificial intelligence shift control and maintenance-free fluid rated for 100,000 miles. The Honda Pilot achieves bronze status with a 42.7% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. Its 3.5-liter J35 V6 engine delivers 250 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque through a 6-speed automatic transmission with grade logic control. The 2009 to 2015 second-generation models feature variable cylinder management that reduces wear by deactivating up to 3 cylinders during cruising. The Toyota Sequoia earns silver with a 47% success rate. Built on the Tundra platform, its 5.7-liter V8 produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque through a 6-speed automatic transmission with Tow Haul mode. The fully boxed frame features 8 cross members and hydraulic cab mounts that reduce stress on components. The multi-mode 4-wheel drive system includes a Torsen limited slip center differential tested in extreme conditions from Death Valley to the Arctic Circle. Finally, the undisputed champion of longevity, the Toyota Land Cruiser, with an incredible 47.9% chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That's 3.2 times better than the average SUV. The 5.7-liter V8 engine features plasma-coated cylinder walls and forged connecting rods designed for 500,000 plus miles. The kinetic dynamic suspension system uses hydraulic cylinders that have never failed in millions of miles of testing. The frame undergoes 11 separate rust prevention processes, while the full-time 4-wheel drive system features a torsion center differential and crawl control tested on 5 continents. Traditional body-on-frame construction appears in 6 of these models, proving that sometimes older technology offers superior longevity. The fully boxed frames used in these SUVs contain up to 30% more steel than their unibody counterparts and can withstand torsional forces up to 2.5 times greater. Modern hybrids and EVs are notably absent from this list, not necessarily because they're less reliable, but because they haven't had time to prove their long-term durability. However, early data suggests that their simpler drivetrains might eventually challenge these records. Tell me in the comments, which of these SUVs would you trust to hit 300,000 miles? Would you rather have a high-mileage Land Cruiser or a brand new crossover? And for those of you already driving one of these vehicles, what's your current mileage? Hit subscribe and that notification bell for more real-world automotive data that helps you make smarter buying decisions. Next week, we're diving into the maintenance secrets that mechanics don't want you to know about these bulletproof SUVs. Remember, buying the right SUV isn't just about the price tag, it's about how many miles you'll get for your money. And with these vehicles, that number might just surprise you.